friends, welcome to Artful Messes. I'm Miss Lisa and today we're going to make fairy lanterns. To make your fairy lantern, you will need a glass jar with a lid. I used a mason jar, but you can use any jar, like an old pickle jar. You'll need an LED tea light, some Mod Podge. You can also use Puzzle Saver or slightly watered down Tacky glue. You'll need some hot glue, a paintbrush, make sure it's an old one, a pencil, a fine tip black marker, some scissors, a piece of fishing line, some white tissue paper, and a piece of paper, something with a little weight to it. Something like a cardstock, that works well. First we'll need to measure the tissue paper. This doesn't need to be precise, but you do want about an inch or so to hang over the bottom so that when you glue it on, it'll cover the bottom of the jar. Now we're going to paint the glue on the jar. I like to use a wet paintbrush to apply the glue so that it goes on smoothly. If you only have a thick glue available, using a wet brush will help you thin your glue. I've never tried this with a school glue like Elmer's, so I'm not sure if that would work. We're going to kind of roll the tissue paper onto the jar, just below the threads of the lid. Once you've done this, go ahead and add a layer of glue on top of the tissue paper. If you had any tears as you were applying your tissue paper, you can use small strips and fix them the same way you applied the tissue paper. Your jar will take a couple hours to dry. Now we're going to draw the fairy. To make sure that your fairy will fit inside the jar, you want to use the lid to mark how big the opening is, and make sure you draw within this space. Because our fairy will be in silhouette, there is no need for perfection here. Just roughen some basic shapes till it looks good to you and fill it in with your fine tip marker. Be sure to color in the back as well after you cut out your fairy. Use your jar to measure how far you want your fairy to hang inside the jar and cut a piece of fishing line. I didn't realize my hands were off camera here. Oops! What I'm doing is pinching about a 1/2 inch at the top of the fishing line to make a kink, like a number 7. So when you glue the fairy onto the top of your jar, it will hang straight down. Now we'll add a drop of glue to the back of the fairy and stick on the fishing line. In order to make sure that our fairy will hang close to one side of the jar, we'll put a drop of glue near the edge of the lid. Put your fishing line in, and now you're almost done. To decorate the jar, I used some jute rope, some faux flowers, and fine glitter, but you can decorate your jar however you want. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram and Facebook pages for more art and crafts. Leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more artful messes. Till next time, have a beautiful day, friends.